So at this point, you might be asking yourself, why am I going to Charlotte? Well, I was basically taking care of two things today. I needed to come down to Charlotte to film a couple for the company I work for. Also, as it turns out, being that I'm adding windows to the passenger compartment in the back of the van, I am going to swing by a fellow Toyota van owner's place. He is going to provide me with a second set of sliding original Toyota windows. So I'm going to be cutting them out of a van that he has. As it turns out, it's a blue van, so it kind of fits right in with my dual color theme that I've got going with my Rust projects. I might even grab a couple of door panels. I've been thinking about upgrading these door panels to LE door panels, which are more of a molded piece. So if they look good, I'm going to grab a couple of those. I have yet been able to eat today, and I'm starving. So after I get this cut, maybe I can go grab a bite. My biggest fear is that because it's later in the afternoon, there's a possibility I'm going to be fighting a thunderstorm to get all this done. You can see them looming in the distance. This one over here on this side is definitely much closer to me. So depending on which way it's tracking, it might impact my expedition. Let's hope not. Well, Chase has got himself a treasure trove. Wow. This is the one that he just got from Wilmington, from Chris Murray. So, good grief, it is really rusted out. It's nuts. But it's got an amazing window on the side, which is what I'm going to be grabbing. So the first thing I want to do is get the computer out of the way. So I'm going to pull it out of the way, so when I cut this out, I'm going to cut extra metal out so I can get this whole piece. And that way I don't destroy the computer inside, because it's still probably good. Oh my goodness. I think I've lost probably, I don't know, 12 pounds today. Pretty much, you know, I'm a lot lighter, a lot smaller. I've shrunk a little bit because of this heat down in Charlotte. You know, coming down here for the day has really shown me that I'm just way out of shape. I need to bulk up with Got another 90 gallons of water like a camel before I do this kind of crap. Oh my goodness. All right, it's out. You can see half of what I'm talking about on my face. Can you see that in 4K? High resolution perspiration. Yeah. I don't need any windshield washer fluid. I could just squeegee this off into my reservoir and wash my windows with that. What do you think of that idea? I got it. I got it. All the way up to the gutter. I got myself a lot of extra. Ooh. Not too shabby. That's gonna go on the passenger side right here. That's where that's gonna go. Chase has given me a good opportunity. I've got 2 door panels that I'm going to retrofit. It worked. My battery's gonna die. So this is Chase's handmade trailer that he built for hauling his kayaks and his bikes. And he built this guy so that he can take it up the mountain. This is his high top that he's got. 2-wheel drive, 1986, I believe he said. Really awesome. I love that paint job. I am gonna go get a bite to eat because I am starved out of my mind. I'm exploring to try to find out where to go. See if this place I found online is any good. Mount Holly, North Carolina. Cute little place. Something to go. Well, that didn't work. They aren't doing takeout, so I'll have to move on down the road and see if I can find something else to eat. According to my route on my map, I'm like 2 hours and 20 minutes from the house. I think I might this time around try and do an avoid highways aspect and see how the trip goes. McAdenville, North Carolina. Very cool, very historic. That's why you want to get off the highway right there. You can see stuff like this. Cherryville, North Carolina. (1913). This was Cherryville City Hall in 1911. Listen to the sparrows. Shelby Yarn Company. Oh. Wow. That place would be incredible to explore. So I actually turned around Roma's Italian Restaurant in Cherryville, North Carolina. Definitely worth stopping in. because I got some amazing food. This stromboli, mushrooms, pepperoni, jammed with cheese. She threw in an extra slice of pie because she liked me. That's what happens when you're nice to people. Definitely worth it. I passed this and saw it in the corner of my eye and couldn't get it to pull up on the website. So I just took a chance, turned around and came back. The staff is awesome and the location is awesome. If you're ever in Cherryville, North Carolina, stop in at Roma Italian Restaurant.